Close your eyes now. Let your body sink into the bed. Feel the pillow beneath your head, soft, supporting, holding you. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Again, slowly in and out. Each breath makes you calmer, softer, quieter. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix. Right now, the world can wait. This moment is only for you. Feel the weight of your beautiful body, your shoulders relaxing, your arms growing heavy, your hands so calm, so still, the wonderful eyes of yours closed, soft, safe, your beautiful face smooth, free, serene. Allow every part of you to let go. You deserve this rest. You are safe here. I will count down now from 30 all the way to 1. With each number, you will drift deeper. Your thoughts will fade. Your body will melt into sleep. 30. Sinking deeper. 29. Safe and calm. 28. Every breath carries you down. 27. Heavy, soft, serene. 26. Deeper still. 25. Peaceful, quiet. 24. Letting go. 23. Deeper and deeper. 22. No need to think. 21. Floating, surrendering. 20. Halfway to dreams. 19. So safe, so warm. 18. Deeper, softer, quieter. 17. Every sound fades away. 16. Relaxed, calm, loved. 15. 14. Deeper still. 13. All tension dissolves. 12. Drifting, floating. 11. Thoughts grow quiet. 10. Heavy and calm. 9. Safe in the dark. 8. Deeper and deeper. 7. Your heart calm, steady. 6. Sleep is near. 5. Sinking completely. 4. Nothing left but peace. 3. So soft, so still. 2. Almost gone. 1. You are asleep. You are loved. You are worthy of deep rest. Your heart is healing. Your mind is calm. Your body is free. Tonight, you sleep deeply. Tomorrow you rise renewed. Rest now, my dear. Sleep deeply. Dream beautifully. You are safe in the night. You are loved. You are free. Good night.